This right here is my 8x12 metal shed from Patiowell, and if you're looking for a cheap shed, this shed is for you because it's awesome value for money. A couple of things to note on this shed: it says it's 8x12. It's not actually 8x12. It's about 5 inches narrower and 5 inches shorter. So something to consider if you're looking for a true 8x12 shed. This isn't it. The door on this metal shed is 44 inches wide. My lawnmower is wider than 44 inches. I got a new lawnmower, so I had to modify the door. So it's a little bit off right now. It's typically going to be big enough for other lawnmowers. Double door, opens up fully. Really like that. And if my lawnmower were narrower, there'd be plenty of space to get in here. Something to think about when you get one of these sheds, they are a little bit shorter. So this here is about 5 foot tall. So you didn't need to duck down to get in here. But when you're inside, you have plenty of room to store everything you need. Because it is an 8x12, I've got my 50-inch Cub Cadet in here. I've got some tools back there. I've got a Gorilla Car in here. We've got another lawnmower, pressure washer. There's plenty of space in here, and you can obviously move things around and then add in little storage racks if you want. If you do want to put some storage in here, you do have to build it from the ground up because these thin walls, they can't support anything because they'll start falling out. They're not designed to be supportive. You can see all the framework in here. It's really easy to build. Vents either side, so you've got 2 on that side and you have 2 on this side. I did add this light here. Doesn't come with the shed, but really easy to put together. Comes with everything that you need except the base. Really nice roof up here. It's in a black color with the brown side panels. You can get different color combinations, so get one that suits what you're looking for. Overall, I've been very impressed with the shed. It was easy to put together. It came in 3 boxes. You start building the frame, then you just start screwing panels on. And I was able to put it together by myself. And the hardest part was getting the roof beams in. They were just a little bit tight to put up there. But other than that, it was super easy to build. I have noticed that a little bit of water does come in underneath the base plate where it meets the base that I built. So I'm going to seal that up with a little bit of silicone just to make sure that no more water gets in there. I want to do it when it's nice and dry so I don't trap any unnecessary moisture in there. So if you're looking for a cheap shed for your yard, I'd highly recommend you look at one of these Patiowell metal sheds. They have various sizes, different colors, different configurations. So go check them out if you're looking for a new metal shed for your yard.